GJGJGJGUFJFDJDM. Oh yeah. I love playing Super Mario World Smash, but whatever that is. What the heck? I just died. I love playing this game. Except when I keep on dying. GRRRRRRRRRRR. Let's just keep on playing this game. Oh farty pants. My computer just crashed.
Good evening. Welcome to Plotagon News Stadium. I am your weather meteorologist today. Tonight there's a high chance of a blizzard and have wind speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. Gusting up to 80. In the middle of the night. Very tricky driving conditions. Must stay home. Temperatures tonight will get down to -50 degrees. It is too cold for Siberian Huskies. You must be indoors. These weather conditions are very dangerous. I am Jessica the meteorologist signing off.
Holy farty pants. A storm is coming. The weather is colder than you think. Even Siberian Huskies cannot outstand the temperatures that cold. Gee whiz. Mom, there's a big winter storm coming. With winds up to 80 kilometers per hour. With cold Arctic temperatures. Even Siberian Huskies cannot outstand it.
Kevin, I heard that. It came up when I was watching TV. Poop.
Is it going to be very dangerous?
Of course, Kevin.
Oh okay. Let's watch the news.
Oh. We lost contact of Jessica. To be continued. The snowstorm getting worse.